Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bharath Edutech. In today's video, we are going to do a simple Java program where we'll ask user to enter a number. So once they enter, we'll find out whether that number is odd or even. So for example, let me quickly run this program. So I'll give 10 as input. So we'll display 10 is an even number. Okay. Similarly, if it's an odd number, like I'll type 13. So we'll display 13 is an odd number. Okay. So let's do this. So here I have a simple Java test class. So our first job is to print this statement, enter a number. So let's do that. Sysout control space. So and I'll type enter a number. Okay. So our next job is to read the input from the console by using scanner class. So let's declare scanner class. So scanner. So I'll call the object as sc new scanner. And inside the constructor I'll pass system.in to get the input. Okay, so then we'll declare a variable to store the input that the user enters in the console. So I'll call this as number. Okay, so then we'll use the scanner object sc to fetch the input from the console and store it in the number variable. So number is equal to sc dot next int is the method, so it is going to read the next integer from the console and will store it in the number variable. Okay, so now our job is to find out whether this number is odd or even. So any number which is divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0, we call those numbers as even numbers. And if the remainder is other than 0, we call those as odd numbers. So I'll declare a variable called remainder to get the remainder, and we'll use modulus operator to get the remainder. So we'll divide this number. We'll use modulus operator by 2 and we'll store this remainder in remainder variable. Okay, so and now if this remainder is, so we'll put a condition, if the remainder is equal to 0, so then we'll print the statement. That's our control space. So we'll pass in the number and we'll call this as is an even number. Okay, similarly if the remainder is other than 0, we'll print out it's an odd number in the else block. So let's copy this line and paste it here, and we'll just change even to odd. So save this and let's quickly test this program. So let me run the program and let me expand the console, and it's asking to enter a number, so I'll give it as 100. So and you can see 100 is an even number. Okay, so similarly, so let me run the program again and I'll give 23, and you can see 23 is an odd number. Okay, so this is a simple program to check odd or even number. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel.